After last big dump, Bitcoin is starting to slowly recovering because from this low to this high, there was a pump around like 6% of the net market. But right now, there is also really critical situation because we are retesting this previous important support, which is right now after a resistance confirmation, important resistance. So in this video, we will gonna take a look on the what will be the next important Bitcoin move. So if you are interested, if the price is right now breaking the current important resistance and we are going up, or if I'm expecting another huge jump, definitely watch this video till the end because yeah, the next 24 hours will be for Bitcoin really critical. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 12-hour chart. As I said in the intro, right now we are testing probably the most important resistance on Bitcoin, which is currently, let's say, between levels approximately 61k 730 and 59k 600, 59k 700, something like that. Also, you can see that on the daily time frame there was like a perfect resistance confirmation, but with this current candle we are trying to get back again to this resistance area. So yeah, right now, as I said, I am definitely waiting here for a support confirmation here, because this is like really critical situation for Bitcoin, and which means it's like critical situation for a whole crypto market, because if Bitcoin is gonna fall, all the other altcoins are probably gonna fall, because yeah, Bitcoin is a king. So what to do right now? In my opinion, even if there was like a resistance confirmation, is in my opinion pretty risky to open here a short trade. Because if we are gonna take a look on the corrections in the current bear market, you can see that here it was like, for example, like 21%. Here it was a jump around like 21% again. Here it was a jump around like 17%. And right now we are having here a jump around like 22 again, 21%. And if we are gonna take it, for example, from this high, it's a jump around like 23-24% of the net market. So you can see that the dump is like quite similar like all the previous ones, which means that there is pretty high probability, in my opinion, that this was actually a bottom of this drop. Of course, if we are gonna, let's say, drop under this current low, then there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna test the liquidity in this previous support area. So yeah, then there can be a good opportunity to open here a short trade. But right now, just because there was like a perfect, let's say, resistance confirmation, because yeah, actually there was like a perfect resistance confirmation, is, in my opinion, still not worth it of taking a short trade, because the probability that there will be like another big drop is, in my opinion, actually not that high. Honestly, I need to say that I am kinda surprised with, let's say, the current bearish sentiment which is on Bitcoin and also in the whole crypto market. Because, for example, like 1 month ago, like the whole crypto market was really bullish. You can see that we had here like a 7 bullish candles on the monthly chart, which is something that historically didn't happen. Because, for example, here it was like 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, there was like 6. And in my opinion, historically there wasn't a moment in which we were like this bullish. So for example, from like this low to this high, we had here a pump around like 200%. And right now there was a drop around like 22%. And like the whole crypto market is really bearish. And in my opinion, like, I'm not understanding why, because yeah, in the long time perspective, are we still in the heavy bullish momentum? Yeah, we definitely are, because as you can see, there was a pump around like 200%. And if we are, for example, measure it from this low to this high, it was a pump around like 370%. And right now we are having here a drop around like 23%. And like the, let's say, whole crypto sentiment is collapsing, in my opinion. Yeah, and it's like not making any sense. So if you, for example, want to trade here right now, let's say a heavy long positions, yeah, like historically, it was always the best when was a blood on the street, if you know what I'm saying. So maybe just because the whole market is bearish, this can be like the best opportunity to open some long trades. And historically, it was like always best to buy whenever there is like a blood on the street. So yeah, maybe this can be like another reason why right now there is like a perfect opportunity to open a long position. But so from the technical analysis perspective, as I told you, I'm waiting for a support confirmation in this area. Let's now get back to the technical analysis. On the 12-hour chart, we are still under like important resistance, which means that from the technical analysis perspective, right now there is definitely not a good opportunity to open a long position. But if there will be, let's say, again, a support confirmation in this area, there can actually be a good opportunity, because stop loss in this case you just place under this previous low, because as I said, if there will be like a breakdown, then there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test like this lower area, which is between levels approximately 52k 370 and 50k 780, something like that. And the last take profit target you can place either under this current all-time high, or you can, for example, speculate on that 85k, something like that, which can be like the next high in my opinion, if there will be breakout of the current one. So yeah, this can give you potential risk to reward like 6.17. so even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be quite decent. And if we, for example, take a look on the lower time frame, you can see that we had here like a perfect breakout from this triangle, which gave us a move around like 3%, something like that. But on the 30-minute chart, the main resistance is still this bearish order block, which is between level 65k 300 and 64k 800. So yeah, nothing changed like from the yesterday's analysis on the lower time frame. So right now I'm not watching here any interesting trading scenarios. Definitely in the comments, don't forget to tell me your opinion on Bitcoin right now, because as I said in this video, I am definitely more bullish than bearish. And in my opinion, the whole market is simply like overreacting, because yeah, it's just a drop around like 25%, and historically we saw it like a million times on Bitcoin. I kinda understand it why there is like a huge bearish sentiment on altcoins, because yeah, altcoins are down around like 50 to 60%, which is on the other hand is giving us like perfect opportunities for a long trade. So yeah, if definitely you don't wanna miss out on them, you can join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But as I said, definitely in the comments, don't forget to tell me what is your price prediction on Bitcoin, and we can discuss it, because yeah, as I said, I'm kind of surprised with the current bearish sentiment on Bitcoin. But this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end. If you want to join my Discord trading group, I will be really happy. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I promise you won't regret it. So yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.